I want a new experience, I want something exciting. I was looking for campus universities that were intercultural.
I had a friend studying international logistics as a bachelor's, and she really liked the program and she recommended this program to me, and I decided to check it out.
I chose Jakobs University because of the internationality and the diversity basically, and also my studies are in English. So that's why.
One of the strategic advantages of Jakobs University is that when you work with your colleagues, you might be working from someone from Zambia, Ethiopia, or from Pennsylvania. You're working together, you're sharing thoughts, all in English, and learning in English. And that creates a very, very, conducive learning atmosphere and broadens your perspective.
Supply chain management is important for businesses and for the economy because it's like the engine that drives everything forward.
Supply chain management is definitely about optimization, and I would say yes, it's also about innovation, because in the future we're going to be developing some new management frameworks, supply chain management frameworks, because the challenges we will have are also going to change.
The program is specifically good in combining very well the technical but also the soft skills. So besides seminar engineering or supply chain management classes, we also have presentation skills, project management classes, communication classes.
And also you get some basic knowledge on what's management, what's the supply chain, what's logistics, and then you build on that to determine how you optimize these things.
What is important about the course is practicality, it's application. It shows how the classroom, whatever we learn in classroom, can translate into professional life.
You don't just have professors, but you also have a lot of lecturers who are coming directly from the industry, are presenting you real situations, and they are expecting you to solve them. So the things you learn are really related to what's happening in the industry at the moment.
In this program you are working in small groups, you have a perfect professor-to-student ratio, and the professors will always be there for you when you need them.
What I like the most about our teacher is that they really care about us. They care about their students and they care about how much they learn.
So besides being just a group, everything is more personal. So I would not just be a student, I would be Georgiana. The teacher would know about me, would know about my strengths, about my weaknesses, and would try to improve my weaknesses and also take advantages of my strengths.
One example of that is when the coordinator helped me make contacts with the industry, which ended up leading to my internship.
Another thing is that Jakobs University is located in Bremen, which is a port city and a logistics hub. So if you're in the mood for looking at container ships or cranes, just hop onto a bus and ride half an hour, and there you can see how what you're learning in class is actually applied.
There are many big international cities that are within the reach of Bremen. Bremen has a good train network and also a good airport. So students can visit Amsterdam, Hamburg, Munich, many different cities that are all within the grasp of Bremen.
The structure of the university made it easier for people coming from far and near. It's multinational. You see someone who looks like you or speaks like you.
I really like living on campus because there are various activities going on every week, and the student body is very dynamic and very energetic.
So in each college you have a very closely knit family. So you know everyone in your college, you can contact them for help. When I think about Jakobs, I think about 24/7. There's always something going on. Every evening there's something you can do.
A job. So what I want to do after graduation is definitely find a job here in Germany.
Several offers of Jakobs University that I found very helpful for my career planning was one, the Career Service Center, because they looked at my CV. They also made recommendations on how I can approach companies. And then also it was interesting because they had a career fair where I could meet contacts in the industry, which ended up being very helpful.
One important thing to know is that the job perspectives are unlimited.
So you can see from the way it is structured, you can easily get into the industry.
So I know people who are working in a very wide range of fields and industries. There are people who just went towards a more humanitarian aspect, so they really wanted to give back something to the society. Others went to another extreme and followed a career in consulting.
I would recommend the program to someone who's analytically driven, wants to manage people, and wants to work in an engineering-based environment.
I recommend this program to people who want to develop creative solutions and then actually implement them later in their career.
The program changed my life. I think people should take a dive, come to Jakobs, come to Germany, and see what the program has to offer.
I decided to check it out and it was a wonderful choice.
Come here because you will get a lot of fun.
You will never regret it.